皆さんこんにちは、かずえです。Everyday Kanji, Kanji on the street. Today's kanji is this. Means always and usual. On reading is 上. Kun reading is 常 or とこ. The stroke order of this kanji is this. So this kanji means always or usual. And 通常 means usual.But it's not the word what you see on the street. But combining with tomorrow's kanji, 非常 means unusual, and that's more important. So please looking forward to tomorrow's lessons. And so again, let's review what we've learned so far. Okay, that's all for today's lesson. Hope you enjoyed. じゃあまた明日。バイバイ。